Glampers, today we're going to put these to a small test. We're going to do an 11-mile loop with hills, so stick around.
Welcome back, guys. If you haven't met us, we're Mike and Joni with Those Who Glamp Together. If you have been kind of coming along within the last year, thanks for stopping back in.
Thanks so much.
What we're doing today is we purchased these e-bikes back with the Black Friday deal. We went into winter, so we haven't really been able to give them a good test. So today we're just going to really give them a good exercise. We live in a part of Ohio that is very hilly, and this will be a pretty extreme test. We don't live in flat land.
Yeah, we're not far from the highest point of Ohio either. So.
Yeah, we wanted to bring you guys along with us and just share that experience. The other part of this video, we're going to share the unboxing, which is an old video that we're putting in. So yeah, we're not dressed the same.
And that way you can see how, if you order or buy one of these, you can see exactly how they come delivered, what you have to do with them from right out of the box. And
then we will jump back in on the end to kind of give a little recap and what we think about this whole route that we're getting ready to do.
So we hope you enjoy it. Ever since the Colorado Springs trip where we did an e-bike tour of the Garden of the Gods, we can link that above. And we can also link the Virginia trip where we rode these specific bikes.
Great. So let's get started.
We're going to unbox this for you. So as you can see, it comes highly wrapped. Lots of zip ties, lots of padding, and the very important part is it actually has thick styrofoam.
Yeah.
So just get the unsnipping. There you go, that is one electric bike. All right, so the next part you will see is us actually doing our test. Got to do some fine-tune adjusting. My ears covered. Is it recording? Yeah. Can't tell. 43 degrees. Which is warm for Ohio, but 20 mile an hour on a bike. Yeah. And I still have to work pretty hard. I'm huffing and puffing because I just weigh a lot more. Plus, we didn't charge my battery. We charged hers. And I'm down to, well, it's coming back now, but I'm down to 2 bars. So I may be walking this up that big hill we were talking about. So we're going to keep going. Yep. See how it goes. I'm up over half, so. Okay, cool. We are at the infamous Corkscrew Hill for the county we live in. It's known to cyclists. We do a lot of road cycling. It's like one of the hardest hills for us to get up.
Yeah.
Look at the entrance and how steep this is. We're looking at probably 8 to 10% grade.
I forgot my glasses and I'm tearing up.
I say we let these cars get out of here and we just get up the hill.
Yep, we'll hit it and get it.
Wish us luck.
Where's your battery?
1.
Ooh.
If I made it up, it'll come back this some.
Yeah.
Whew, I'm still out of breath.
Yeah, you were.
That's a steep hill.
This is one of my favorite places to ride through. It's like in the summer it's canopied and it's always cooler. We made it!
I've still got 3 bars. We managed my battery really well. So with these bikes, we're not going to be road biking with these, but we want to test them out here because we got so many hills and it's just a lot harder terrain. So we know that when we take these to do what we're going to intend for them to do is when we camp near a town and we want to just shoot into town on them and maybe grab some lunch or dinner or if we're in a national park.
Yeah. The next video that we'll be coming out with will be one of us or me exhausting the battery to the fullest. So
the next video with the bikes.
How many miles we can get.
Yeah, exactly how far in the same loop that we just did. How many times can we go around? All right, guys, we hope you like this video. If you did, subscribe. You know the deal.
You know the spiel.
You know the spiel. We really appreciate you guys watching.
Yeah.
You shared these videos with your friends. We appreciate every one of you. Happy glamping.